Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food that can be prepared in a myriad of ways, each influencing their health benefits differently. In this video, we will be delving into the various methods of preparing eggs and shed light on the unhealthiest practices that can compromise the nutritional value and pose risk to our well-being. From frying to deep frying, overcooking, and adding unhealthy accompaniments, we explore the detrimental effects of certain cooking techniques on egg nutrition. By understanding these practices, we can make informed choices to ensure that our egg dishes not only satisfy our taste buds, but also support our overall health and well-being. The impact of frying eggs on health. Fried eggs are a popular choice, but are they the healthiest option? Let's take a closer look at the effect of frying eggs on our well-being. Understanding the process of frying eggs. Frying of eggs involves cooking them in oil or butter over high heat. This method creates a crispy outer layer while keeping the yolk running or fully cooked, depending on your preference. So what's the effect of this high heat on the egg nutrients? The high heat used in frying can lead to the breakdown of some delicate nutrients in eggs, such as vitamins A and E. This can reduce their overall nutritional value. Let's take a look at the health risk associated with frying eggs. Fried eggs cooked in unhealthy oils can increase the intake of saturated fats and cholesterol, which are linked to heart disease and other health issues. Also, what's the danger of deep frying eggs? Deep frying eggs takes the calorie count to new heights and can pose serious health risk if consumed frequently. So now, let's dive into why this method should be approached with caution. Deep frying eggs involves submerging them in hot oil until they are crispy on the outside. This cooking method significantly increases the fat and calorie content of the eggs. Health concerns related to deep frying eggs. Deep frying eggs can lead to the formation of harmful compounds due to the high temperatures involved, which may have negative effects on health over time. The impact on cholesterol levels. The excessive consumption of deep fried eggs can raise cholesterol levels in the body, thereby increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems and other health complications. So, what are the health risks associated with battered and breaded eggs? Battering and breading eggs may seem like a fun and tasty twist. Yeah, we see it almost all the time on social media, but they come with hidden health pitfalls. Coating eggs in batter or breadcrumbs before cooking adds an extra layer of flavor and texture to it. However, this process can also pack on extra calories and fats. Hidden calories and fat in battered eggs. This can contribute to weight gain and other health issues if consumed in excess. Now, let's check how this can link to heart disease or may expose the person who consumes unhealthy egg to heart disease. The added fats and calories from battering and breading eggs can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease if consumed frequently. What's the negative effect of overcooking eggs? When you overcook eggs, you are basically turning them into the rubber of the food world. They become tough, dry, and lose their delightful texture. Not only does this ruin the eating experience, but it also leads to a sad waste of good eggs. Loss of nutrients in overcooked eggs. Overcooking eggs on high heat can destroy some of the essential nutrients in eggs, like vitamin B5 and choline, leaving you with less nutritious breakfast option, which didn't just mess with their texture, it also messes with their nutritional value. Potential carcinogenic compounds formation. Scrambled eggs, not scrambled chemicals. Overcooking eggs can lead to the formation of potentially harmful compounds like acrylamide, which has been linked to cancer risk. So, unless you are aiming for a side of danger, with your sunny side up, watch how long you cook those eggs. Common unhealthy additions to eggs. While eggs themselves are a healthy protein source, what you put alongside them may turn your nutritious breakfast into a calorie-laden disaster. Remember, we mentioned this in our last video. What if you ate 5 eggs a day for 30 days? If you haven't seen it yet, please do after this video or click on the title at the top of the screen. Think bacon, cheese, and heavy cream. These additions can easily turn your egg dish into a cholesterol-packed indulgence. So, be careful. Impact of high-fat condiments and ingredients. Adding high-fat condiments like mayonnaise or butter to your eggs may make them tasty and nice, but It also adds unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats to eat. Your heart might not thank you for drowning your eggs in these artery clogging companions. Sugar and salt content in accompaniments. Sprinkling sugar on your eggs might sound bizarre, but some sweet breakfast dishes do just that. And also, let's not forget about the salt. Adding too much salt to your eggs can raise your blood pressure faster than you can say, over easy. Benefits of healthier egg preparation techniques. Choosing healthier cooking methods for your eggs can help preserve their nutritional value and taste. Methods like poaching, boiling, or light scrambling can all result in tasty eggs without the need for excessive fats or oils. Recommended cooking methods for nutrient retention. If you want to keep those nutrients locked into your eggs, consider gentle cooking methods like steaming or soft boiling. These techniques help preserve the delicate nutrients in eggs while still giving you a delicious meal to start your day. Conclusion and recommendations for healthier egg preparation. Overcooking eggs and piling on unhealthy additions can turn your nutritious breakfast table into a health hazard. Avoid rubbery textures, carcinogenic compounds, and unnecessary fats by cooking your eggs with care. Let's check out the guidelines for optimal egg cooking methods. To enjoy the benefits of eggs without the health risk, opt for cooking methods that retain nutrients and flavor. Keep it simple. Avoid excess fats and experiment with healthier alternatives to give your eggs the treatment they deserve. Your body will thank you for it. In conclusion, being mindful of how we prepare eggs is crucial for maximizing their nutritional benefits and also promoting our health. By opting for healthier cooking methods and avoiding the unhealthiest practices discussed in this video, we can continue to enjoy the deliciousness and nourishment that eggs have to offer. Isn't that nice? Making conscious choices in the kitchen can go a long way in supporting our well-being and ensuring that our favorite egg dishes contribute positively to our overall diet. Now, frequently asked questions. The first question that will be taken is, can I still enjoy fried eggs in a healthy way? Of course, you can enjoy fried eggs in a healthier manner by using cooking oils with higher smoke points such as avocado or coconut oil. and being mindful of the cooking temperature to prevent nutrient loss. Second question: are scrambled eggs a healthier option than fried eggs? Scrambled eggs can be a healthier option than fried eggs if prepared with minimal oil or butter and without excessive amounts of added fats or unhealthy ingredients. 3. What are some healthier alternatives to deep fried eggs? Healthier alternatives to deep fried eggs include poaching, boiling, or baking eggs or baked eggs. This can retain more nutrients and reduce the intake of unhealthy fats compared to deep frying. Last but not the least, how can I enhance the nutrition of my egg dishes? To enhance the nutrition of your egg dishes, consider incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables, herbs, and spices. Opting for whole grain accompaniments and choosing cooking methods that preserve the natural goodness of eggs. So, Green Health Warriors, we have come to the end of this video. Yeah, please drop a comment in the section below to let us know what you think about this video and how you prefer to prepare or cook your eggs. Also, feel free to share your recipe with us so that we can learn. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel in case this is your first time here. I would love to see you regularly on this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.